Good morning, guys. So, oh, so tiny. What's the matter? You want to talk to the sunshines?
Say
Good morning.
Or good afternoon. I don't know what time it is.
It's afternoon. So today is Sunday. I spoke to you guys this morning. I don't know. I'm so out of it. I don't even know what day it is. I think today is Saturday, and we had her yesterday. So today is day 2. I'm tired. I have no makeup on. I know. I look rough. So baby's good. I'm good. This is by far my easiest C-section that I've done. Right now I'm getting ready to eat my lunch, and the older kids are coming to meet her, and yeah, she just had her Erin test done. She passed the left and failed the right, so they're coming back tomorrow to get it done. They're gonna do it again tomorrow before we leave on Monday. And yeah, and the cough, remember that cough I had, guys? It's gone. It's the weirdest thing, like it's just gone. So anyways, yeah, I'll update you guys again later. And she's just like, she's so peaceful. It's so sweet. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. I'm about to eat my lunch. I'm gonna show you guys my lunch. Okay, so for lunch I have a tuna salad, a tuna what? I have a turkey, some salad, and some chips. So I'm gonna go eat that. Yeah. Hi. Hi, Tunchi. We're going for a walk.
Can we walk around there?
Yeah. You gonna push her, Daddy?
Oh.
Alright, let's go.
Walk slowly.
I'm good. I got this, okay? I got this. You just push your baby, man. Nothing.
You recording me?
Yeah. You guys are so precious. Oh, there go my battery. Needs to charge. It did good. The battery did good.
This battery's been on and off since since we got here. Since you were in the car on the way here. It did good.
Yeah, I have to charge it for when the kiddos come. Let me do that. Once she finishes her bottle.
She's punishing.
I wonder if by the time she leaves, she'll be over 7 pounds. Probably.
Probably the way she's been eating.
Yeah, because she do both the breast and the bottle. But let me charge this before the kiddos come.
See if you can burp her.
Alright.
Coffee, her mom.
Hey, princess. Yes. So I'm a big brother now. Yeah.
Big brother Jackson. Big brother Jackson, you gonna take care of Maddie? Yeah?
She's so cute. Can I feed her?
Yeah, when it's time for her to eat.
Huh?
When it's time for her to eat.
I want to feed her.
Your grandpa. Jason.
Oh. Did you
Jordan.
get the kids on camera?
No, I want to see it again. Hold on, I want to see it again. Give me 1 second.
Oh, that was
Nice. Give her another one. Nice.
Yeah, she
Beautiful.
kisses now. They meet you.
Todavía tiene deformadita la cabecita.
Atrás, sí.
Pero se le va a formar.
Sí. Don't touch the top of her head. Don't touch the top.
Why?
Because it's still soft.
Oh. It needs to be hard.
It's not like this.
Ow.
It's still soft a little bit.
So hi,
Oh,
Jackson.
she don't have
The back of her head is still like a little cone. You saw it?
Yeah, she
Yeah.
still has
The soft spot.
right here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The
Can I
cone.
hold her? No, not yet.
The way she was.
Se ve que estaba muy apoyada sobre ese lado.
Estamos, yeah.
Ajá.
Porque el pie ahora ya el pie se le está...
Porque también lo tenía trocito.
El pie sí.
Ah, no sabía.
Sí. El pie lo tiene...
That's not sexy.
I hold her now.
Hold on. Yeah, you're gonna hold her.
It's so little.
Say hi, Jordan.
¿Cuál es el segundo nombre?
María.
¿Eh?
Say hi.
María.
Hi, Jason, hi. Then look at her eye. Say hi.
Mira de la abuela, chiquita linda. Oh, my baby pretty. My pretty. De grandma. De grandma, baby. Ay, cutie. Gimme, Janice, gimme. Qué mamor, qué cochita linda, qué mamita. Okay, mami, okay. There's one more.
Like that. Okay, guys, so it's Sunday night. Yeah, she's so precious. It's Saturday night. I don't even know why I'm rushing my nights or days or whatever. But it's Saturday night and I just finished eating dinner. It's dark, even though it's like it's only 5:48 and it feels like, yeah, but well, Maddie's here, but she has these rash on her, like I don't know what it is, and it's making me think something's wrong with her. Like, say hi. Wanna say hi? Yeah? Wanna say hi? Wanna say hi? Yeah. Yeah, she has these little bumps on her. It's like rashes. It's like a rash or something. But I don't know. I'll talk to the pediatrician when she comes in tomorrow about it and see what can be done. Or I don't know if it's because I'm giving her Similac because my milk haven't came in, and I'm kind of like mad about my breast pump because I ordered it and they said that, you know, I qualified to get a free breast pump, but then they had text back, they had called me and said that my insurance wouldn't pay for a breast pump unless the baby was here. So I called them yesterday and I told them the baby was here, and then they called back this morning and said my insurance is not going to pay for it unless the baby's not latching. And she's having a hard time latching on. I mean, like, she latches on, but she's having a hard time, like, you know, suckling. Like, it's too much for her. It's too much work for her. So I had to give her a bottle because she was starving. So yeah, mommy had to give her, I had to give her something. Like, yeah, now she has these now she has the rashes on her that I think could be from the milk or just the clothes or the blankets or something. I don't know. But yeah, but today is Saturday and I saw my doctor. He said he's gonna come tomorrow and check me out if everything looks good, and if she looks good, we could go home on Monday because at this hospital you get 4 nights. You get 4 nights stay for C-section, and it was like some people go home after 2 nights, some people stay 3, some people take the whole 4. So it was like depending on you and how you feel, you could go home tomorrow, or you could go home Monday, or you could go home Tuesday. So it depends on how I feel and, you know, how she's doing. So I will update you guys tomorrow. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Good morning, guys. Okay. So today is Sunday. Today is Sunday, November 20th. Today is my twin boy's birthday. And today is our 3rd day here. And it's she is officially 2 days old. Yes, because she was born on Friday. It's Sunday. Yeah, so she's officially 2 days old, and she's been a little fussy, but yeah. So we're gonna go home tomorrow, and right now we're just hanging out. I just had breakfast, and I just changed her and fed her, and I'm just hanging out waiting for my boys to get here, because my mother-in-law is supposed to bring a cake and we're supposed to sing happy birthday to them. It's a little windy outside. It's like windy out there. So it's cold. It's like 40 degrees today. So yeah. So I'm just hanging out. But I'll update you guys as soon as I know anything. Let's hang a little Missy today. Say hi. Say hi, sunshine. And say hi. Is that what I think it is? Yes. So yeah, I haven't been vlogging a lot because I've been so tired and exhausted and stuff, but I'm trying. So hopefully I have enough footage for you guys to watch of this little one. She's so precious. Yes. So Anyways, I will talk to you guys later. Hi guys, I look crazy. So today is Sunday night. This is our last night here. Let me show you the baby. This is the baby. See right there. My husband's in my bed. So I'm gonna go take a shower. And go for my walk, because I have to walk the yeah, I have to walk the thing. So I pumped today. And all the nurses were like, wow. You know why? Because look at this. I got this guy and this guy, all from one session. So they were like surprised, because they're like, usually people don't get that much their first time pumping here when their milk come in. So my milk did come in, so I have enough for her. So yeah, they don't even have anywhere for me to store it, so that's why we're storing it in that basin, and then we're gonna feed it to her throughout the night. So I'm gonna definitely have to keep her on schedule, because she's a very good sleeper. She slept all through the night last night, and she didn't wake up to feed. So they were like, try to wake her up to feed her every 2 hours. So yeah, her bilirubin is high. They took her blood and stuff. So hopefully we get to go home tomorrow, but I won't know until all her, you know, numbers come out. So I'm banking on going home tomorrow, but if not, then I have to wait for baby. But it's what it is. So anyways, that's it for the update. So I'm just gonna close out tonight's vlog, and I will see you guys tomorrow. If we go home, I will vlog that as our going home vlog and call it a day. And this is what my belly's looking like 3 days postpartum. So it's not bad whatsoever. Yeah, so I will see you guys tomorrow.